The Curious Mind.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to map out your personal journey into the stock market. So you want to invest, but you're scared of losing money? That's totally normal. Let's tackle that fear head on. You see stuff like this online all the time, but that only happens when you jump in unprepared. That won't be you. Okay, first things first, the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's all about patient, long-term growth. So what are the biggest traps? It usually boils down to these three things. We'll help you avoid them. All right, let's get real. Before you even think about investing, we gotta build your financial foundation. Think of these two steps as your safety net. They're pretty much non-negotiable for smart, stress-free investing. You should aim for at least 6 months of living expenses. This is your uh-oh money, just in case. Once your base is secure, it's time to get the right tools. This account is your gateway to buying stocks. Okay, foundation's built, account is open. Now for the fun part. How do you actually start investing? First, learn the basics. Give it a few weeks. Then start with a tiny amount you're okay with losing. And when we say small, we really mean it. The goal here is just to learn the ropes. So you've done your homework. Now you'll place that first order and just start tracking how it does. Okay, so you know the how, but what about the what? Let's talk proven strategies that actually work. This one's simple: buy good companies and hold them for years. It's the best and safest path for beginners. And yeah, investing is not day trading. As a beginner, you're gonna wanna stick to the left side here. And now, for what might be the single most important rule of all. This is how you protect your money. Never, ever risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on a single investment, period. These are the classic mistakes that'll absolutely wreck your portfolio. Seriously, just don't do them. All right, let's talk numbers. What kind of returns can you actually expect? It's super important to be realistic. And remember, these aren't daily gains. We're talking annual returns. This is about building wealth slowly over time. Okay, that was a lot. So here's a simple plan to put it all into action for your first year. This roadmap gives you a stress-free way to build both your confidence and your portfolio over time. So what's the one thing to take away? Learn, start small, and be consistent. That's the whole game right there. We've given you the map. Your journey starts right now. So what's your first step gonna be?
The Curious Mind.